Okay, we are coming up on Little America, and I decided I'm going to do a video on this place. It's weird. It's a weird little place. See? Exit up here. Little America. Okay, here we are. I've been here before, but I've only ever been to the area for truck drivers near the fuel station. You notice, like, ready to get out in the morning. It's 32 degrees out today, so that makes it, if you don't speak Fahrenheit, freezing, 0 degrees. Hades. So this fucktard just decides to park right here, blocking half the exit. The exit starts about where his landing legs are. And he could have backed up a lot farther. Hopefully he's not staying long. Either way, he's a fucking idiot. He got out to walk his dog, and then he noticed he could have backed up a lot farther, so now he's doing that. So good on him. Not such an idiot. Good guy. Good job, dude. Alright, let's go see what they got here. Like I said earlier, I've only checked out the trucker area. They got more shit here. That gas station area for the four-wheelers is closed under construction. RV park area. Well, back over there's the truck area. So here's our hotel rooms. What is that? Oh. Ice and vending machines. Wonder how many people want ice today. I'm not really dressed for this shit. Alright, is that a good thumbnail? No, not with the sun where it is. How about this side? That might make a decent thumbnail, huh? I really don't know what the hell else. You can see the I-80 over there. I don't know what else they got. So they got that bar, little gift shop, little convenience store, little deli. That bar is also a restaurant. It looks like these are just more hotel rooms. Looks like no one's staying here today. There's their big snow pile. Yeah, those look just like more hotel rooms. That's it. I think we've seen everything except the trucker area, which we could check out later when I go eat. Dog shit area. There's nothing here except the Little America property, all that stuff. There's supposed to be a playground. I didn't see it. Not that is something I'm interested in at my age. I'm just saying, for people who have kids. I don't know why you come here. I don't know how much the RV park is, but the rooms start at $100 a night for the hotel rooms, and you just got Little America. So there's a playground for the kids, there's a little bar, restaurant, and nothing else within 20-30 miles. It's not even near the ocean or in the forest. Don't know the appeal. But I guess people stay there, although I didn't see any today. Maybe in the summer it's a little more popular. Don't know. Don't understand it. A lot of trucks here though. Well, a few. I'm sure by tonight there will be a lot more. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a few others. I've seen signs for, there's one in San Diego, and I know there's one in Cheyenne, but it's much smaller in Cheyenne. And it's in the city of Cheyenne. They don't call the city of Cheyenne Little America. And it's small. It's just like a truck stop that could fit maybe 10 trucks, and I think there's a hotel. And then there's one in Flagstaff, Arizona. I've been to that one. I don't remember a hotel there. It's just like a truck stop where you can get $13, $14 hamburger. Yeah. So I'll buy a hamburger tonight. See how much it is here at the truck stop area. Yeah. But yeah, I don't understand why the attraction, why people would want to come here. Unless you drive a truck and need somewhere to park. I don't know why a family would come here and stay in the hotel. Maybe I'm missing something. Okay, let's go check out the rest. So I got a cheeseburger. They had buffalo burgers, but I didn't get one. Just got regular beef. So I got a cheeseburger, $10. And it was way too crowded in there to film much of the store. I got the little driver's lounge in the hallway. Woo. It's 4:30 in the morning. Shut up! Okay, it's 4:30 in the morning. I'm gonna head out. This place got pretty full up. A lot of people blocking shit. We'll see if I can get out. That burger yesterday was okay. It wasn't great, wasn't bad. It was pretty mediocre. Coffee was free this morning, so that's cool. I guess let's get out of here. Yeah, everyone just wants to park everywhere.